when it comes to the police requesting the eatery owners to voluntarily display the names throughout the Kawad Yatra route. Let's in the meantime get you another breaking update of what we are now picking up, where the name and the identity of the operator and the owner will have to be written on food shops on the Kawad Yatra routes across Uttar Pradesh. But let me go across when it comes to Adib joining us right now. Adib, are we looking at just Muzaffarnagar, or we are looking at this order that may be also taken up throughout the state of Uttar Pradesh?
See, Amita, first it was the Muzaffarnagar police and then the Saharanpur police who have issued this order. But now what we are getting the information is that the Uttar Pradesh government, in fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has instructed all the administration leadership that they will ensure that all the eateries will be putting up the name of the owners. Those are coming on the Kawad Yatra Marg, and they will have to put up the name of the owners throughout the Uttar Pradesh. This is not just about one district or two districts we are talking about, but the entire in the entire Uttar Pradesh, where the Kawadiyas will be going from, or at those places, the eatery owners, they have to place the names of the owners on their display board. So this is the direction that is coming straight from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
All right. When it comes to the direct order that is now coming across, will it mean that it's going to be implemented across the state of Uttar Pradesh as far as the names that are expected to be displayed over when it comes to the eateries? Because, however, Adib, was there any slight modification to this order when it comes to voluntarily display of the names of the owners on eateries board that was given across?
See, Amita, as soon as the Muzaffarnagar police issued this order, the Muzaffarnagar police was being criticized by the opposition leaders, including Asaduddin Owaisi, Akhilesh Yadav. And after that, Muzaffarnagar police tried to put up their version. They're saying that they have said that the shop owners need to put it voluntarily now. But now the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said clearly that all the shop owners have to put the name of the owners outside their eateries or their shops, those who are coming on the Kawad Yatra Marg. In fact, those selling the halal certified products, an action will be taken against them also if they are selling halal certified products. So this is the clear instructions of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in terms of Kawad Yatra Marg. Remember, Kawad Yatra will be starting from 22nd of July, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath from time and again is checking the preparations for the Kawad Yatra, and now he has given directions that all the shops that are coming in front on the route of Kawad Yatra, they have to display the name of the owner at their shops.
All right. Keep us updated and continue to be with us, Adib, because with these developments that are now coming across, it is not just about Muzaffarnagar, but all of Uttar Pradesh now, because later when it comes to the police, they're clarifying that the decision was voluntarily. That, meanwhile, the opposition claim was another bid by the state to target when it comes to the minority community. Opposition parties adding that this move was akin to apartheid in South Africa or Juden boycott in Nazi Germany. Let's listen into the political reactions that have caused a lot of backlash to this order that was issued.